Welcome to the deep dive. If you're looking to really sharpen your Forex game, maybe find a powerful way to grab those quick gains, well, you are definitely in the right place today. We're going to dig into how you can potentially boost profits, cut losses, using two pretty dynamic tools together.
Yeah, it's a neat combination.
And hey, while you're here, do us a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You won't want to miss these deep dives.
Absolutely. So our mission today really is to break down this EDMA scalping strategy, but we're adding a turbocharger, you could say, with the ADX histogram.
Yeah.
We're not just showing you what to click. We want to get into the why it works, the mechanics behind it, hopefully make Forex a bit less complex, whether you're, just starting out or you've been trading for years.
Okay, right. Let's jump straight in then. We keep saying scalping. Let's define that quickly. Scalping is, well, it's fast. Really fast trading.
It is.
You're aiming for tiny price moves, right? Little wins, but potentially lots of them in a day. Requires quick thinking, quick action, perfect for short-term market swings. It's all about getting in and out fast.
Precisely. It's about precision, catching that immediate momentum. And this strategy, the specific combo of indicators, it really aims to elevate that, give you a clear path through all the market noise.
Cutting through the noise. I like that.
Turning that complexity into something clearer, signals you can act on, which is, let's face it, super important no matter your experience level.
Okay, cool. So component number one, the EDMA Scalping Strategy. Where do we find this magic thing?
Right. So head over to TradingView, open your Indicators tab.
Yep.
Just type in EDMA Scalping Strategy. Now, make sure you grab the one by Mighty Zinger. There might be others, but that's the one we're focusing on.
Got it. Mighty Zinger. EDMA Scalping Strategy.
Yeah.
Okay. Added. Now what?
Okay, once it's on your chart, you need to tweak it just a little. Find the settings, usually a little gear icon. You're going to change the MA length and the EMA1 length. They default to 20. Change both of those to 22.
22. Okay, why 22?
It just gives it a slightly longer look-back period, helps filter out some of the really minor, maybe insignificant market jitters, makes the signals a bit more reliable for scalping where, false signals can really hurt.
Makes sense. Less noise.
Exactly. And one more thing in the settings, go to the Style tab. You'll see a few options you don't really need for this strategy. Just hide 3 of them. Doesn't matter exactly which, just the ones that clutter the view. Makes the chart cleaner.
Okay, clean chart. Settings tweaked. What am I looking for now?
The signals are pretty visual. When the EDMA lines cross each other and the line itself turns green, that's your heads up for a potential buy trade.
Green means go? Potentially.
Potentially, yes. You'll want to see a bullish candle form too, confirming that upward move. And conversely, if the lines cross and turn red,
sell signal.
That's your potential sell signal. Again, look for confirmation with a bearish candle pushing down.
Okay, EDMA gives us direction, potential direction. But how strong is that move? Is it just a blip or real momentum? That's where the second part comes in, right?
Exactly. This is where it gets really interesting. We bring in the DMI-ADX Histogram.
DMI-ADX Histogram. Okay, back to TradingView indicators.
Yep. Search DMI-ADX Histogram, and this time you're looking for the one by Ray 444.
Ray 444. Got it added. Settings adjustments here too, I bet.
You know it. Similar process. Go into the Style tab first, hide the ADX line itself and the level line. We just want the histogram bars for this. The histogram basically visualizes that momentum from the ADX.
Okay, ADX and level hidden, just bars left. Input tab.
Input tab next. Change the length from the default 12 up to 15.
15.
And change the threshold from 20 up to 25.
Okay, length 15, threshold 25. Why these changes?
Again, it's about robustness. Increasing the length looks back a bit further, and raising the threshold means the histogram only shows color when the momentum is stronger, more significant, filters out weaker moves.
So we're looking for stronger confirmation. Makes sense. What do the bars tell us?
It's simple. Green bars on the histogram. That means strong bullish momentum is building. Good sign for considering a buy.
Green histogram, think buy.
Red bars. That signals strong bearish momentum. Time to consider a sell.
Red histogram, think sell. Okay, this is starting to click. We have the EDMA cross for direction and the DMI-ADX histogram bars for momentum confirmation.
Exactly.
So how do we put it all together for a high probability setup? Let's walk through the exact entry rules.
Right. For a buy entry setup, you need everything aligned. Condition 1, EDMA lines cross and turn green.
Sure.
Condition 2, the ADX histogram must be showing green bars, real green bars above that threshold we set.
Double check. Momentum confirmed.
Condition 3, you need a bullish candle to actually form right there. Price action confirming the signal.
Okay, green cross, green bars, bullish candle, then we enter.
Then you enter. Place your stop loss just below that green EDMA line, provides a logical safety net.
Right, below the green line and the target.
We aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. So if your stop loss is, say, 10 pips away, you're targeting a 15-pip profit.
1 to 1.5. Okay, standard good practice.
Yeah.
The sell setup, just flip it.
Exactly the reverse. Condition 1, EDMA lines cross and turn red.
Red cross, got it.
Condition 2, ADX histogram must show red bars. Bearish momentum confirmed.
Red bars, yep.
Condition 3, a bearish candle needs to appear, showing price moving down.
Red cross, red bars, bearish candle. Enter sell, stop loss.
Stop loss goes just above the red EDMA line this time.
Above the red line. Makes sense. Target.
Same target logic. Aim for that 1 to 1.5 risk to reward.
Okay, it sounds quite clear visually when you lay it out like that. Have you seen this work well in practice?
Oh, yeah, definitely. We've looked at examples where this plays out almost textbook style. Think of a 5-minute chart, maybe URUSD.
Okay.
You see the EDMA lines cross green, you glance down, boom, the ADX histogram is printing solid green bars. Then a nice bullish candle closes right there.
All systems go.
Exactly. You enter the buy, set the stop just under the green EDMA, target 1.5 times that risk.
Yeah.
And often, especially if momentum is strong, you see price just move straight up and hit that target pretty quickly.
Nice.
Same for sells. Red cross, red histogram bars pop up, bearish candle confirms, enter sell, stop above the red line, target 1.5 R. We've seen examples hit target nicely there too. It's really about waiting for all the conditions to line up. That visual confirmation is key.
That discipline to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this leads to something really important, especially for scalping on these low time frames like 5-minute or 15-minute charts.
Yeah.
Strategy sounds interesting.
Definitely. First, like we said, it is great for scalpers, people who like that fast action, grabbing short-term momentum. If that's your style, it fits.
Okay.
Second, and I can't stress this enough, always use a stop loss. Always. No exceptions. It's your safety net.
Non-negotiable. Got it.
And third, before you put a single dollar of real money on the line, demo trade it. Practice. A lot. Get familiar with the signals, the entries, the exits on a demo account until it feels like second nature. See how it performs for you.
Practice, practice, practice. That leads me to think, this speed, this need for quick decisions in scalping, it must demand serious discipline, right? Beyond just following the indicator rules.
Oh, absolutely. That's a huge factor. Discipline and rigorous testing are critical for any strategy, but especially for something this fast.
Why especially?
Because the temptation is huge. Things are moving fast. You might see a near setup. Maybe the cross happens, but the histogram isn't quite there yet, or the candle isn't perfect. The urge to jump in early or to chase a trade that got away, it's immense.
I can imagine. FOMO, fear of missing out.
Exactly. Discipline means sticking rigidly to the rules, waiting for every single condition to align. No compromises. And testing, back testing, or forward testing on demo, that builds the confidence. You see the setups work over time. You understand the probable win rate, the potential drawdowns. It prepares you mentally.
So it's not just about knowing the rules. It's about having the mental fortitude to follow them under pressure.
Precisely. The psychological side of trading is massive in scalping.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway here? We've explored a pretty potent combination, this EDMA and ADX histogram strategy for Forex scalping. We've given you the specific steps, the settings, the clear signals to look for. Remember those settings, 22 for EDMA lengths, 15 and 25 for the ADX histogram length and threshold. And remember risk management, the stop loss, the 1.1.5 target, considering broker spreads. It's a framework.
It is. It provides structure. But like you said, it's more than just indicators. It's about building that disciplined approach around them.
Right. Which leads to a final thought for you to maybe chew on.
Okay.
We've talked about the strategy, the indicators, the discipline needed for rapid decisions. But maybe think about this. How does that constant rapid-fire decision-making truly challenge your emotional control as a trader?
Interesting question.
And beyond just sticking to indicator rules, what other mental tools or strategies, maybe things like mindfulness or specific pre-trade routines, might you need to cultivate to really succeed and stay balanced when trading at this kind of speed?
That's a deep one. Success isn't just the technical setup. It's the whole mental game plan, too.
Exactly. Something to ponder. Well, thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive today. We hope you found it valuable.
Hope it helps clarify things.
And if you did, please, one last reminder. Subscribe, hit that like button on YouTube. It really helps us keep bringing you these analyses.
Yeah, we appreciate the support.
We'll catch you on the next one.